How to make a magic circle in 2 ways. Number 1. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more information. Alright, so let's begin. First you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Alright, let's begin. First we're going to make a slip knot. For every project that you do, you always have to make a slip knot. There's no way around it. And then afterwards, you're gonna make 4 chains. Some people create 5 chains, 3 chains. It depends. Alright, so the next step, you're gonna insert your hook in the first chain that you made, yarn over, pull through the first chain, and pull through the remaining loop on your hook. And that's how you make a magic ring. So that will become a magic ring, and then when you make stitches inside the ring, that's how you create a magic circle. Alright, I'm going to display again. First, make a slip knot. Then you're going to create 4 chains. Then you're going to insert your hook in the first chain. Yarn over, pull through the first chain and the last loop on your hook. That's the starting point on how to make a hat, how to make a doll head, how to make a ball, etc. So this is one of the methods. Number 2. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the first method comparing to the second method. It's only because the second method is going to be a lot more easier than the first method. So the first method is to chain 4 chains after when you do the slip knot. Then when you're done making 4 chains, you're going to insert your hook in the first chain that you made. Yarn over, pull through the first chain you made, and pull through the last loop on your hook. And that's how you make a magic ring. As you can see, it fits my finger. That's why it's called a magic ring. Then you insert stitches inside that ring. Alright, so this now is the second method. It's pretty easy, very simple. All you have to do is just make a bigger slip knot. That itself will be the ring, the magic ring. Now all you need to do is just add stitches inside that loop, and then it magically will turn into a magic ring. So I'm going to make double crochets inside this loop, so then it will be like a demonstration. I'm going to change my hook because I'm not used to bamboo hook. I'm going to make 6 double crochets in it. Then once you're done seeing the 6 double crochets, the easiest thing ever, you're going to pull the end string down as tight as you can. Then you're going to insert your hook on the next double crochet on your left hand side. Insert your hook there. Yarn over, pull through the double crochet, and pull through the last loop on your hook, and that's how you make a magic circle. Yeah, as you can see, I did 6 double crochets. The pulling method. As you can see right there, it looks exactly like a circle. Yep, you're going to insert your hook at the double crochet on your left hand side. You're gonna yarn over your hook, pull through the double crochet, and then pull through the loop, the remaining loop on your hook, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope to see you guys soon, and take care.